Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian Keto guy! If instead this is the first time you happen to see me, this is Giuseppe, I'm 48 years old and I find delight in turning traditional recipes into ketogenic ones. When I started this way of living, this way of eating, this lifestyle, but absolutely not a diet, on the 15th of July 2018, it's over 3 years so far, I realized that it was boring to eat always the same thing: fish, meat, fish, eggs. So I tried to convert, whenever it was possible, the recipes with high number of carbohydrates into ketogenic ones. Today I'm proud to show you a very nice and effective recipes for the famous spreadable cream, so famous in Italy. And I found this product in Italy. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it on the French and German and British Amazon store. But I guess you can find a paste like this. This is just hazelnut paste. That's it. There is no sugar added. So the carbohydrates are just 6 grams out of 100 grams of product. So try to find a product like this on Amazon or wherever. Here you can find the links to my shop, and so from there you can type the hazelnut paste in your language. Hazelnut paste, yeah, sorry. And and try to see if there is a paste that has just 5-6 grams of carbs out of 100. Unfortunately, from the research I have done, they put sugar in it, so the number of carbs is crazy high. But anyway, if you are able to find or you can just use a powerful blender and try to have a smooth paste. It's difficult to achieve this with the traditional. Look at the way it is, because I tried so many times but I couldn't. But anyway, it doesn't matter that you can, it doesn't mean that you are able to do it. So if you have a powerful blender, with patience, insist until all the granules of the hazelnut are dissolved and you have a smooth cream like this. Once you have obtained the hazelnut paste, follow me and see what you can do to turn this paste into a very nice spreadable cream. Or either if we buy a already made hazelnut paste, or if we produce our own with the method I explained you earlier. This one just counts 6 grams of carbohydrates, as you can see, so it's very, very convenient, no sugar added. That's why I use this one. Anyway, whatever product-based hazelnut paste you use, just put some 2 ingredients to turn this hazelnut paste into a delicious, soft, creamy, spreadable cream. Look at the way this hazelnut cream paste is. So soft, so creamy, so smooth, and it doesn't get solid when you put it in the fridge. Anyway, I used 50 grams of powdered erythritol. I know you have Swerve, for example, in the US, or whatever you use. Be sure that it's in powder form, because we are not going to warm it, so it must be dissolved, and in the powder form it surely is dissolved. Maybe use a sieve, even also for this ingredient. We're going to use sieve now for the cocoa powder. Be sure that it's unsweetened. This is a spoon, it's not a teaspoon, it's a tablespoon. So with a sieve, make sure there are no lumps. Okay, so now we are ready to stir. A little bit of stirring to combine all those ingredients, the powdered sweetener and the cocoa powder, the unsweetened cocoa powder. So those ones are just bubbles, so don't worry, there are no lumps. And now that's it. The spreadable hazelnut chocolate cream is ready and is fully keto. So now I made those wraps, zero carbs wraps made with bamboo fiber. You can see the video here on the top right of the corner. And I use this case psyllium husk, but in the recipe I also I use the xanthan gum. Do not use any baking powder if you're going to make them. There is no need. Those flours do not rise. Those ingredients do not rise. And now we are going to taste it. And here we are, the magic moment of the video, the tasting. And guys, which tasting? I couldn't find words to describe the genuineness, the goodness, the healthiness of this product. It's pure hazelnut paste. As I said, if you can't find it in your country, try to blend as much as you can the hazelnuts. Toast the hazelnut first and then blend it with a high-speed blender until they become a smooth paste like the one I showed you. Those ones are the wraps, the tortilla wraps, zero carbs, made with bamboo fiber or oat fiber if you want. There is the recipe here. Or you can spread this hazelnut paste on this product. For example, is already made. It's just powder. You have to put some more water or oil and to make a nice loaf bread. It's just 4 grams of carbs every 100 grams of product. So I think it's in your macro. You can find this on my Amazon store. I'm not sure if on the American one you will find it, but in Europe is well known. It's a German product. Anyway, I don't think I have nothing else to tell you apart that this product creates addiction. Anyway, any questions, please write me in the comments. If you like the video, please subscribe by hitting the button, the red button and the bell, so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. See you next time.